Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make this Cadenia bracelet. This may be original design, but I'm not too sure yet, but I'm pretty sure it is. And I did post this picture on Instagram a few weeks or days before, so be sure to check that out. And also check my Instagram account out because I do have high quality photos with natural lighting and all that, so I'm really proud of that. And I hope you guys like this bracelet as I do already, and if you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you do make this bracelet, be sure to take a photo and post it on Instagram with the hashtag TutorialsByKN. And here are two samples, and here is the bracelet. I'm showing you guys how to make it in this video, and here is what the back looks like if you were wondering. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, I am going to tell you the colors I will be using and replacing my colored bands. There will be the tie-dye bands like this, various colors, and also I'm using the same color for the borders. And make sure that your red arrow is facing upwards. And first off, you're going to grab your border band and just do a 2-pin bar border only. So just gonna do that, and it should be fairly easy. And if you are a beginner, then just watch what I am doing, and basically you are just placing bands all the way up until you reach to these two pegs, and then get another band and place it here to there. So once you have finished that, I'll show you guys what to do next. So once you have finished that, it should look something like this. And now you're going to go back to the bottom, and you are going to grab your first colored band and place it onto these two pegs, and then basically just do a zigzag all the way up the loom until you have reached the top. And sorry if my hand is covering the way. And once I finish that, I'll show you guys what to do next. So once you have finished, it should look something like this. And now I'm just going to grab another border band and just twist it to make 2 loops and place it on the last peg. And now we are going to turn our loom around. We are going to grab our hook and we are going to loom. So first you are going to pull back your cap band, grab the top band and pull it back to itself. Just like that. And then do the same thing with the remaining band, just like that. And now we are going inside this peg, grab that top band, pull it back to itself, just like that. Now we're going to go back inside the peg, grab the remaining band, pull it forward, just like that. Now go inside this peg, grab the top band and pull it back to itself, just like that. And now you are going to grab the 2 colored bands, and this might be tricky, just like that, and then pull it over, like that. And sorry if I keep saying like that, I can't help it. But now you're just going to go back inside the peg and grab the remaining band and pull it forward. And now you're going to go inside this peg, grab that top band and pull it back to itself. No, sorry, you don't do that. You are going to pull the... Wait, sorry, I'm thinking. Oh yes, you do that. You do. Sorry, that sounds wrong. You do that. Now you're going to grab the 2 colored loops, just like that, like we did before, and pull it over, just like that. Now, get the remaining band and pull it forward. Now, if you still don't get it, and sorry if I confused you before, just keep watching. So, once you have pulled the border band on the other side, we are going to work on the other side now. So go inside the peg, grab that top band and pull it back to itself. And it should look something like that. Then go inside this peg, outside of it, and grab the 2 loops And it may be tricky for some of you depending on what hook you are using, but I would recommend using a metal tipped hook because it has a pointy end so it can grab the bands easier. And pull it over. And then once you have pulled the band over, go back inside the peg and pull the border band forward. And you are basically going to do that, and I will explain it once again. So go inside the other side peg, grab that top band and pull it back to itself on the other side, just like that. Then go inside between these two white bands, border bands, grab that bottom band, put your hook on top of the white band and grab that orange band and pull it over, just like that. And then just go back inside that peg and pull the border band forward. And sorry if you hear any background noises, please excuse that. My sister is quite loud, so hopefully you don't hear her. And that is basically the whole process. It is pretty easy. And you are basically going to do that all the way up the loom. And then once you have done that, I'll show you guys how to finish it off. So once you have finished, it should look something like this, but in your own colors. And I just finished hooking a band here to here. And just to finish it off, just get the band and just pull it over like before. And again, it should look something like that. And now, pretty easy, just stick your hook through those 4 loops, grab another border band and pull it through. And then for this one, you can carefully rip it off the loom. Well, not technically rip it off, but just take it off carefully so that none of the bands rip. Just like that. Now I move my loom to the side and it should look something like this. I really like how this came out. I wasn't sure if the colors were going to be bad or good, but actually turned out okay. And to be honest, I really like this side and also this side, but yeah. So now, again, it should look something like this, and if your bands, the zigzag bands, are tucked in, then just get your hook or get your fingers and just pull it out to get the band out. And now I'm just gonna do my extension off camera and I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. So here is what the final product looks like, and I am really happy how these all turned out. And I'm going to take this out and make it longer, and I'm just going to leave it as it is for this one because I want to make it as a charm and put it on my bag, but I'm not too sure yet. But again, I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did make this bracelet, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up for me and don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to take a photo and post it on Instagram with the hashtag tutorials by KN. And again, I am not sure if this is an original design, but I'm pretty sure it is, since nobody on Instagram knew who the creator or have seen this bracelet before. But yeah, if you did create this bracelet or seen something similar, then just comment down below and just tell me who made the tutorial and who created it and all that. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!